Explore top 3D printers that deliver precise, detailed, and reliable prints, ideal for architectural models. These machines offer excellent accuracy, quality material support, and dependable performance to bring building designs to life. Starting at number 1, Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. The Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer kit is a highly regarded, beginner-friendly DIY 3D printer that offers excellent performance and reliability for hobbyists, makers, and educators. Designed with easy assembly in mind, this kit includes removable print sheets and a filament sample so you can start printing right away. It features automatic calibration and advanced sensors that help ensure consistent, high-quality prints, while its generous build volume, 9.84, 8.3, 8.3 inches, gives you plenty of room for a wide range of projects. With a strong community, comprehensive documentation, and robust construction, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is ideal for both newcomers to 3D printing and experienced users who want a dependable, upgradable machine for creative and practical applications. Number 2. Official Creality CR10. The official Creality CR10 Smart Pro 3D printer is a large-format, feature-rich 3D printer ideal for DIY home projects, school use, and creative applications. It offers a spacious build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, giving you plenty of room to print big, detailed models. The printer includes convenient features like auto-leveling for easier setup, a dual-gear direct extruder for reliable filament feeding, and a flexible PEI print bed that makes removing finished prints simple. An integrated HD camera lets you monitor prints remotely, and Wi-Fi connectivity with remote control support adds modern convenience to your workflow. With its combination of size, smart features, and user-friendly design, the CR10 Smart Pro balances performance and accessibility for both beginners and experienced makers. Number 3. FlashForge 3D printer. The FlashForge Creator Pro 2 3D printer is a versatile and reliable machine designed for both beginners and experienced makers. It features an independent dual extruder system, allowing you to print complex models with multiple colors or materials without the limitations of single nozzle setups. This printer comes with 2 free spools of PLA filament, 1 kilogram each, so you can start creating right out of the box. The sturdy build and enclosed design help maintain stable printing conditions, while the dual extruders give you flexibility for advanced printing tasks. Overall, the Creator Pro 2 combines ease of use with powerful capabilities, making it a strong choice for hobbyists, educators, and anyone interested in expanding their 3D printing projects. Number 4. Dremel 3D45 DigiLab 3D printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D4501 3D printer is an award-winning, user-friendly machine designed for high-quality printing with PLA and other advanced materials. Its reliable performance and intuitive setup make it suitable for educators, professionals, and hobbyists alike. The printer features a sturdy build and precision engineering that help deliver accurate, detailed prints, while its enclosed design maintains stable temperatures for optimal results. With straightforward controls and easy connectivity, the 3D4501 offers a smooth printing experience out of the box, and its compatibility with a range of filament sizes gives you flexibility for creative and practical projects. Sleek and black, this printer blends functionality with a modern look, making it a great addition to classrooms, studios, and home workshops. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 3D printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 3D printer is a high-performance UV LCD resin printer that delivers detailed and fast prints using a large 8.9-inch 4K monochrome screen. Designed for precision and speed, it supports Wi-Fi control for convenient remote monitoring and workflow management. With a generous build volume of 192, 120, 145 mm, 7.55, 4.72, and 9.84 inches, it's well-suited for creating finely detailed models, miniatures, prototypes, and artistic projects. The monochrome LCD technology not only accelerates curing times, but also extends the screen's lifespan, while the robust build and intuitive interface make it accessible for both beginners and experienced resin printing enthusiasts. Sleek and functional, the Photon Mono X combines quality, speed, and ease of use in a striking resin printing package.